The Cat's Pyjamas by Foreman. This is the cat, and these are the cat's pyjamas. On Monday, the cat wears space pyjamas and dreams a dream of lunar trips, rocket ships, Saturn, Mars, and shooting stars. What a dream of space delight for the cat in the night. On Tuesday, the cat wears ocean pyjamas and dreams a dream of humpback whales, swishy tails, sea turtles, eels, and flippery seals. What a dream of ocean delight for the cat in the night. On Wednesday, the cat wears garden pyjamas and dreams a dream of leafy trees, fat bumblebees, frogs on rocks, and dandelion clocks. What a dream of garden delight for the cat in the night. On Thursday, the cat wears road pyjamas and dreams a dream of a big red rig, diggers that dig, a tractor, a trike, and a fast motorbike. What a dream of road delight for the cat in the night. On Friday, the cat wears jungle pyjamas and dreams a dream of chimpanzees, rubber trees, toucans, moths, and sleeping sloths. What a dream of jungle delight for the cat in the night. On Saturday, the cat wears sky pyjamas and dreams a dream of a crescent moon, a hot air balloon, kites soaring and planes roaring. What a dream of sky delight for the cat in the night. On Sunday, the cat wears monster pyjamas and stays awake all through the night. Then falls asleep at breakfast.